All right, y'all. Question 3. Douglas is inviting some friends to his birthday party, and he can spend up to $100. He can spend $9 on sodas. So I'm going to underline $9 on sodas. If pizzas are $15 each, which inequality could Douglas use to determine the number of pizzas he can purchase? Let X represent the number of pizzas. So my X is going to be my pizzas. And then it's asking me to write an inequality. So I look at my answer choices. Look, you don't even have to solve this. You're just actually writing the inequality based on the information they gave you. So the first thing I want to look for, they told me X represents the pizzas. Let X represent the number of pizzas. So I'm going to go back up into my problem and see, well, what else was dealing with pizzas? And I can see right here, they said pizzas are $15 each. Ooh, y'all, what does each tell me? Each tells me to multiply. So I need to multiply $15 times each pizza. And they said let X represent the number of pizzas. So if I was going to buy 2 pizzas, I would have to multiply 15 times 2. If I was going to if I was going to buy 10 pizzas, I would have to multiply 15 times 10. So whatever number of pizzas I'm buying, I'm going to multiply times 15. Look at your answer choices and see where is the 15 multiplying times the X. Okay, right there it is. Right there it is. Uh-oh. Nope. Not on C or D. So C or D can't be my answer. I've got to mark those out. Those are not one of my answer choices, options, because they have 9 multiplying. And 9 represents the sodas. And he's just spending $9 on sodas. He's not concerned with how many he's buying on that. He already knows he's going to spend $9. So that's going to stand alone, just like it does on A and B with the adding 9 in both of those problems. Now I just want you to look at what's the difference between your 2 answer choices that are left. The A is less than or equal to, meaning he can spend less than or equal to $100. B says he needs to be spending less than 100 because these numbers represent what he's spending. 15x represents what he's going to spend on pizza, plus the 9 represents what he's spending on soda. So let's go back up into our problem and figure out, can he spend $100 or does he have to keep it less than 100? Right over here, I can see, there we go. Right over here, I can see that he can spend up to 100. So let's think that. If I told you, hey, here's $100, you can spend up to $100. Can you spend 100? Yes, you can spend the $100. You can spend up to that amount. You can't spend more than it, but you can spend up to, which means you could equal 100. So your correct answer on this one would be A. A is your correct answer. There we go, A, because he can spend up to 100, meaning he could spend an equal amount to 100. So I want you to write that. This is going to be for your makeup grade. I want you to write, he can spend $100, so it must be less than or equal to. Go ahead and write that on there. That's going to be how you get your credit. Awesome job.